Hello everybody, my name is Michael. I have noticed that some have problem with moisture on the inside of the GoPro camera. It is quite normal that there may be some moisture in the camera. The moisture comes from the humidity that is in your surrounding. When you open the battery cover, the ambient humidity will enter the camera. When you use the camera, the humidity in the camera will create moisture on the inside of the lens because the camera creates heat when shooting. I have used my GoPro all the way back from Hero 2 when it was the problem in the waterproof housing, and I had to use the small paper insert to avoid the moisture. On the Hero 5 and onward, it is not possible, so therefore I will show you how I do to avoid moisture. I always charge the battery in the GoPro camera and with the open door and let it face up so that the heat from the charging get the moisture out of the camera. And when it's finished charging, you just close it again and there will be no moisture in the camera. That solved my problem, and I hope you can use it and get some good pictures without moisture. Thank you and goodbye.